Hey there. So, imagine you're a complete novice at configuring OpenSSL on your Windows computer. You've managed to locate the OpenSSL executables, thanks to Git on Windows. Now, you're faced with a problem. You need to create an SSL certificate for a site that requires a login and password. The SSL certificate will be crucial for sending the login and password securely to the client. But where do you even begin with this SSL certificate creation process? It's a common problem for beginners in the tech world. Now, let's delve into the solution. I wouldn't recommend using the OpenSSL CLI tools for certificate creation. Instead, opt for Easy RSA or XCA, or even consider Windows Server's AD Integrated Certificate Authority feature. The general steps involve creating a CA certificate, copying it to your web server, signing user SSL client certificates with the CA certificate, and finally, installing the user certificates on user PCs. Remember, SSL client certificates have a slightly different template than server certificates, and the web server plays a crucial role in handling client certificates. In conclusion, creating SSL certificates with OpenSSL can be a daunting task for beginners. By following the steps of creating a CA certificate, trusting it on the web server, and handling client certificates, you can ensure secure login and password transmissions. Remember, the web server configuration is key to utilizing SSL certificates effectively. So, go ahead, dive into the world of SSL certificate creation, and make your websites more secure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts. Stay secure, and stay tech savvy.